Good morning, ma'am.
All right, I am also fine. Thank you for asking. So the strength is a bit low today. I hope everything is fine at your end. So we'll begin the class by first we'll discuss a few common mistakes, right? Which we tend to make while we are writing or while we are speaking, right? And after that, we'll be practicing a few punctuation exercises. All right. And you might have also read the notice about, your second MSTs, I believe from 6th July onwards. So I'll be sharing the syllabus for the same today, right? But of course, it is going to be, with the grammar topics, only the ones which were not covered in the previous time. So we'll be having those, right? Nothing too heavy. And I might put in 2 or 3 questions for writing as well. For example, writing a formal letter, or perhaps this time around I can put an essay, right? To simplify things for you. So let me take screenshots of all the participants. All right, students, so let's begin. So I hope the screen is visible. All right, so these are the few common mistakes which we tend to make, right? So for the first category is common mistakes with pronouns, right? So at times we end up saying both did not come. So, this is like in some cases, it might not be completely incorrect. However, you have a version which is more appropriate, right? Similarly, in this case, this sounds more appropriate that neither came rather than saying both did not come, right? Similarly, both of them did not pass the test, neither of them passed the test. ठीक है जी? So each of these girls sing very well. So each of these girls sings very well. Why? Because the sings is corresponding to the word each. So each is singular, right? So इधर हम s लगाएंगे verb के साथ. After each and every, we use a singular verb. Then we all did not go. So the best way to say is none of us went, right? Similarly, none of us had been invited. Then one should love one's country. Then have you got a pencil? No, I have not got one. Or no, I don't have one. Right? So no, I haven't got. इससे अच्छा है कि I haven't got what? This sounds incomplete. Right? So Gurjot, I think neither of them, both of them did not come. तो उससे better यही है कि neither of them came, neither came, right? क्योंकि ये आपका वाला सेंटेंस हो गया ना, both of them did not pass the test, इसके साथ corresponding हो गया. So it is better to say neither of them came. ठीक है जी? All right, then is he at home? Yes, I think. I think ना जब हम जैसे at times what we end up doing, we translate what we had to say in हिंदी और पंजाबी. I think ऐसे हमें ये ना ये थोड़ा सा हमारा ये वो ट्रांसलेशन वाला फ्रेज है, अदरवाइज द करेक्ट फ्रेज इज आई थिंक सो, ठीक है। देन वी enjoyed ourselves during the holidays, right? So since enjoyed is a transitive verb, it needs an object. Then the boy who works hard, he will get the prize. अब इधर पता क्या है, ये repeat हो रहा है, the boy who works hard will get the prize, or whoever works hard will get the prize, right? So this was additional, we don't need it here. So moving further, so he is waiting for you from 10 o'clock. He has been waiting for you since 10 o'clock. Okay, this man is sitting here for the last 2 hours. This man has been sitting here for the last 2 hours. ठीक है जी, we are staying here since, we have been staying here since 1980. See, अब ये पता क्या है, to talk about actions and situations that started in the past and have continued up to the present, we use the present perfect continuous tense. ठीक है, so why I was like, if you remember the class we had on tenses, right? So I talked about this fact that this phrase, this particular tense is not used as often, because you are explaining or giving a very particular fact, a very specific fact here, right? So this is the only case where we use the present perfect and continuous tense. So it has three different tenses mixed together. It has the present tense, then it has the perfect, which we use for sentences, some actions which have been completed. Then it has the continuous tense, which is for something which is still going on. तो ये कंप्लीट भी हो गया, स्टिल अभी भी चल रहा है, तो उसके लिए वी यूज दिस टेंस दैट वी हैव बीन स्टेइंग हियर, हम यहीं पे रह रहे हैं, राइट? उसको हिंदी में आप ट्रांसलेट कर लो। तो ये तो सिंपल हो गया, वी आर स्टेइंग हियर सिंस 1980, हम यहाँ रह रहे हैं सिंस 1980, ठीक है जी। दिस इज मोर like why will sorry, so the situations in which we are going to use this tense would be, let's say it's a very short time which we are talking about. Let's say I am staying here since Saturday, since last Saturday, ठीक है, ये बहुत छोटा सा टाइम है ना, तो उसके लिए आप ये यूज कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे ये काफी देर से कोई चीज चल रही हो, उसके लिए हम ये वाला यूज करते हैं, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल बाय बस, ठीक है, आई गो टू स्कूल बाय बस, सो दैट बी इज मिसिंग, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। ये हो जाएगा कि ये तो मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, but here you are explaining something which is a habit, right? So as you remember, for the habits we use the simple present tense. Then the incorrect is, we are playing tennis every day. So again, something which is happening every day, a habit you are talking about, we play tennis every day. Then we use the simple present tense to talk about routines and habits, right? However, the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions and situations that are going on at the moment of speaking, right? So incorrect is, I said him to go, no, you told him to go or you asked him to go, ठीक है? So she told that she would be coming, she said that she would be coming, all right? Then we use tell with the personal object, we use said when there is no personal object. Then they discuss the whole matter, about the whole matter, again about is extra, so they discuss the whole matter, all right? So we'll take a look at another page and then we'll move on to some exercise. Okay, so we have a few sentences here which you will be correcting, so get ready to respond in the chat, right? So be attentive in case you were distracted. All right, so this is better. So each sentence given below contains a mistake, and the mistake is in the use of the conjunction, right? Find the mistake and rewrite the sentence correctly. Now this topic is very important. Why? Because the conjunctions are not that common, right? We do not encounter them in our daily reading as much as other parts of the speech. So this is why at times, it is tricky about how to correctly use or what is the correct format, or whether a particular sentence using some specific conjunction has been correctly constructed or not, right? So इधर हमने बहुत ध्यान से देखना है. So see this for a first example. As soon as he got the telegram, at once he started. ठीक है. सो अभी बेटा आप मुझे बता सकते हो इस सेंटेंस में मिस्टेक क्या है, मतलब गलती तो नो डाउट यू हैव द सोल्यूशन हियर, बट इसमें क्या चीज गलत है इनकरेक्ट में? यस बच्चे. हाँ जी. यस, व्हाट डू यू से? यू कैन टेल मी इन द चैट, यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड यू कैन स्पीक. यस बच्चे. टेल मी व्हाई वुड दिस सेंटेंस बी इनकरेक्ट? It's very simple. It's right in front of you. All right, let me see.
हम एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट कह रहे हो.
Very good, Pradeep. So at once is extra, right? So अगर आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो डबल मेंशन है कि as soon as का भी वही सेम मतलब होता है, at once भी वही है. ठीक है जी. तो इसीलिए करेक्ट सोल्यूशन में दोनों को अलग अलग यूज करके सेंटेंस बनाए हुए हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, as soon as he got the telegram, he started. He got the telegram and started at once. ठीक है. अब इधर ये दोनों ही यूज कर दिए तो दैट इज इनकरेक्ट. So neither Jack is intelligent nor hardworking.
Jack is neither intelligent nor hardworking.
Very good, Satyam. हाँ जी, very good, Anu, Tamanna, Adarsh. हाँ जी, Manav, even your sentence is correct. All right. So Jack is neither intelligent nor hardworking, right? So this we will check later. So though he is fat, but he runs fast. See, now this is also very common, a very common mistake we make, right? The form of sentence that this is. So I want to know from your end, what do you think is the correct form? So Tamanna, yes, that would also be correct. However, if you were to correct it as it is, what would you change? All right, good job. We will check if yours is your version is correct. So Simar, you got very close to the correct one. Yes, what about the others? All right, so this we will check later. As he is fat, so he runs slowly. Hanji, the third sentence. Hanji, bache, what about the third one? Let's correct it. All right, good job. What about the others? All right, Manav has also replied, Ajit as well, and Pradeep as well. Okay. So what about the fourth one? We'll check about this later. Gurjot, this won't be, because you have used so twice, right? So has not been known to be used twice in a sentence, and also you have used it in different sense. So what about the fourth one? Let's come to the fourth one now. Hanji, what do you say? What about the fourth one? Very good, Adarsh. You came up with the correct one. All right, let's move further. Fifth one. Good, Jyoth, you have also made it correctly. Hanji, bacha, what about the fifth one? Very good, Arun. All right, so what about, let's talk about the sixth sentence here. Not only she speaks English, but also Chinese. All right, Tamanna. So what about the rest of you? All right, so Anu has replied, Pradeep has replied, Arun and Adarsh as well. This is my house, I live here. So we'll check the solutions all together, Hanji. All right, so what about the others? Yes, for the seventh one. Okay, बच्चों, so हम देखते हैं one by one अब answers. So neither Jack is intelligent nor hardworking is Jack is neither intelligent nor hardworking, right? So though he is fat, he runs fast, or he is fat, comma, but he runs fast. ठीक है जी? Then we have as he is fat, he runs slowly. ठीक है, तो इधर ये so was extra, or he is fat, so he runs slowly. ठीक है जी? Then for the fourth one, unless you apologize, you will not be admitted to class. If you do not apologize, you will not be admitted to class. All right. So इसमें अब पता क्या है बेटा, जब ये hardly से start होता है ना तो verb पहले आ जाता है, जैसे hardly had the sun risen when we set out, or also the sun had hardly risen when we set out, right? So a lot of you got these, all of these corrected, right? Then she speaks not only English but also Chinese. ठीक है जी? तो इधर ये जैसे interchange किया हुआ है, order same was true for this sentence, only the order had been interchanged, and that was the mistake. This is my house where I live, or this is my house, I live here. All right. So now before I proceed further, I just wanted to remind you of, the students have already presented the PPT, right? I just wanted to make sure that I have written all the names here. In case I've missed out anybody's name, you can tell me. All right, bache. So be attentive now, right? So the first class we had for the presentations, Satyam and Amandeep had presented on water resources, right? Then Tajinder, Vijay Yadav and Ankit presented on 3 Rs. This is related to, recycle, reduce, reuse. Then Anu Gupta presented about self-motivation. Then Ajayjeet's topic was power of music, right? Gurjot and Adarsh Raj, they presented on that scam. I think it was Harshad Mehta scam. ठीक है जी. Then Vishakha had presented about the school life, and Gurjinder and Vishal Gupta presented about peer pressure. Right, bache? After this, the second class we had. Let me tell you who all presented in that one. All right, so Ayush made a PPT regarding fitness. Tamanna made about women empowerment. Then Dipanshu had made about power of subconscious mind. Harkamal talked about public speaking. Surbhi made it on women empowerment. Then Rushant and Pradeep presented about humans and robots. Harmandeep Kaur presented about learning from home. And Manav Sharma made it about MS Dhoni. Right? So then in the next class, we had Suman presented about online class etiquettes. Shalini and Simran presented about unemployment. Simarpreet talked about art therapy. I believe after that, we have had only Aryan's video. Right? So Aryan, I think, had made a video about meaning of life. So yes, bache. I hope I did not miss out on anybody's name. You can remind me if you had presented and I have not spoken your name out loud. So I hope nobody is left. हाँ जी बच्चे, आई होप मैंने सबका नेम कवर कर लिया. किसी का अगर रह गया, मिस हो गया, डू लेट मी नो. I believe Neha had presented as well. Yes, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी नेहा, आपने प्रेजेंट की थी बेटा.
हाँ जी मैम, कर ली है.
If you had and I have not noted it down, do let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha, आपको आवाज आ रही है बेटा? You had presented it last week, I believe, isn't it?
हाँ मैम बोली थी मैंने. Yes मैम.
आपका टॉपिक क्या था? If you can just repeat that.
Women empowerment.
Okay, right. So I'll just take note of that. So, bacha, I hope now you know who all are left to present it. Tomorrow is our lab class. I would say just take out 15 to 20 minutes and prepare something, right? So if I talk about the civil CE class, so Pavandeep is left, Nakul is left, Arun is left, isn't it? And if I talk about others, so a lot of students are yet to present it. Right? So बच्चे जिन्होंने I think Inder, Ishant is presented or not? So बच्चे those who are left, I am requesting आप कल please prepare कर लो, ठीक है? कल lab की class में. Otherwise we'll move on to some other topic for your English lab. Right? Why I am insisting? Because this is actually I'm going to use this to mark your internal assessment. Right? As you know, you have marks for your attendance. Right? जो आपका practical की internal assessment होगी, that is going to be largely based on this, and of course your overall performance throughout the semester. So even if let's say you have not been too forthcoming or too participative in the class, this is your chance, right? So that I get to know each of you for once. क्योंकि कई बच्चों के साथ मेरी regular interaction होती है. I kind of know them as much as I can through this online medium, right? Otherwise, some of you hardly respond, right? So it's totally up to you. It's okay, whatever is your comfort level. However, this is something which is, let me call it a compulsory assignment, right? And I would say that you should come up with the PPT as soon as possible. You have a class tomorrow. All right. So कल कौन प्रेजेंट करेगा? So anybody who is interested to present it tomorrow? Nobody wants to? In case you need any help with that, you can ask me again. कोई ऐसी
मैम
प्रॉब्लम?
मेरी पीपीटी रेडी है.
अच्छा ऋषभ आपकी रेडी है? All right, that's wonderful. Vishal will also present it tomorrow. All right. So Rishabh and Vishal Kumar. Hanji, what about others? Chalo bache, in case anybody else is also able to prepare it by tomorrow, that will be very good, right? Because tomorrow, 2 consecutive lectures, we get ample time, right? Harkamal, I'll share a document in your group. Otherwise, you can find it online as well. So bache, in case any of you have any confusion with respect to your syllabus, what would help is that if you look up online on PTU's website. ठीक है जी, PTU की वेबसाइट पे जाके लेटेस्ट आप अपनी स्ट्रीम का सिलेबस, यू कैन डाउनलोड द PDF, and there all the topics of all the subjects are mentioned, right? And today itself, perhaps by the evening, I will share whatever syllabus will be covered in your second MST. So that, in case you have any doubts, tomorrow we will be meeting in the class, you can ask, right? And I hope you have read the instructions. The pattern is going to be same as your first MST. Okay, same 5 questions you are supposed to attempt any 3. It will be for 24 marks. Right? This time around, yes, I will be putting an essay. Why? Because I want you to practice it at least once. Right? And the rest of the questions are going to be a mix of grammar exercises only. So the particular topics for grammar exercises, I'll mention them in the syllabus. So, बच्चे, I think that will be all. Right? So, अभी आपको कोई doubt है? If you want to ask something, you are most welcome to do so. हाँ जी बच्चे, any doubt? I was just checking if I could find your syllabus and show it to you here. So the mark scheme is, yes, I'll just share the screen with you guys. हाँ जी बच्चों, so this is your second semester. This is for CSE students, right? So you will have internal of 40 marks, external of 60, right? And for the lab, you will have internal of 30 marks and external of 20, right? So these are the credits, and as you can see, it is around 150 marks. So that is a big amount here. Why and why would I say that? Because ये काफी relatively easy है, scoring है. I'll send Gurjot, I'll send the syllabus in the group as well. Okay, and others, I'll let you know whenever the results will be declared for slogan writing. So few of you did send your entries for slogan writing. That was wonderful.
मैम सेकंड सेमेस्टर के पेपर कब होंगे एमएसटी के बाद?
MST के बाद देखो जो हमें भी टेंटेटिव पता है, that is end of July, right? Rather it would be first week of August only, क्योंकि end of July तो कह रहे हैं कि आपकी classes off होंगी, right? So most likely it will be, I think, in August.
ऑनलाइन या मैम ऑफलाइन?
बेटा जो अभी सिचुएशन चल रही है ना, it is most likely going to be, but again I am saying most likely. Why? because we really don't know the situation how it is going to pan out. ठीक है जी.
मैम बाकी जैसे दिल्ली वगैरह में तो कॉलेजेस स्कूल और कॉलेजेस खुल गए हैं, तो अपने पंजाब में भी शायद खोल गए।
हाँ जी, हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, क्योंकि दिल्ली में हो गया है तो, बट वही है हमारे ना पंजाब में अगर आपने भी पढ़ा हो, केस फेटेलिटी रेट काफी हाई रहा है, राइट. सो नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स पर नंबर ऑफ लेट्स से 1000 केसेस और सो. दिस इज व्हाई पंजाब इज बीइंग एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल. तो इधर
Okay.
हमारे कर्ब्स अभी ग्रेजुअली ही वो रिमूव कर रहे हैं जो भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं. ठीक है, जो स्कूल्स का होता है ना बेटा, दैट इज द लास्ट थिंग ऑन देयर माइंड. आई मीन दैट इज द लास्ट थिंग दैट वुड बी रिलैक्स्ड. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू नो इट इज काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे आर ऑल वेरी वल्नरेबल, राइट. So itna abhi matlab even the government is not willing to take so much of risk. But yes, if the situation keeps improving, if the number of cases keep dropping, yes, we can hope for something to change, right? So अभी आप ना इस चीज की आपने टेंशन नहीं लेनी है कैसे एग्जाम होगा, आपने अपनी तैयारी बहुत अच्छी करनी है. ठीक है बेटा. So this is the syllabus here. I'll share this link with you guys so that directly this PDF would be open for you, right? So you have word formation, root words from foreign languages and their use in English, acquaintance with prefixes and suffixes from foreign languages in English to form derivatives, synonyms, antonyms, standard abbreviations. जो synonyms, antonyms है ना बेटा, ये आप अपने end पे prepare कर सकते हो. If you want, I can find a very exhaustive list for you and share it. ठीक है जी. Sentence structure we have covered, right? Simple, complex, compound. Then use of phrases and clauses, sentences, proper punctuation, creating coherence, organizing principles of paragraphs and documents, techniques for writing precisely. ये सारा ना आपका देखो जो essay writing है उसमें ये सारा होता ही है check, even in formal letter writing. Then subject verb agreement we have covered. We are yet to do noun pronoun agreement, misplaced modifiers, right? Articles, prepositions कर लिया है. Redundancy का मैंने आपको briefly बताया था, but इसका भी मैं और material ढूंढ के आपके साथ share करूंगी. We will cover cliches in our next class, right? Then this is also mechanics of writing, writing introduction and conclusion, describing, defining, classifying, providing examples or evidence. ठीक है, essay writing we have covered, comprehension we have covered, pressy writing we have covered, and we have also covered business letters, I think business emails. So resume CV left है, तो ये भी हम अभी soon we will be covering in next any जो भी upcoming classes है, right? तो इसके साथ ही आपका ये very brief lab syllabus भी दिया हुआ है. This is all very general, very generic, very basic, right? Mock interview, formal presentation, role play, group discussion, self introduction. So whatever was possible through this online medium, we tried that. ये role play वगैरह ना, conversations, dialogues, ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है online medium में आपको ये वाली activity करवाना, right? Because even you are not in touch with each other in real time. कि आप जैसे क्लास में interact करते हो वैसे कर सको, right? So बच्चे, I'll share that with you.